Ever pondered how Python, a seemingly simple programming language, is making waves in the complex world of machine learning? Python, with its simplicity and versatility, has become the preferred choice of tech experts globally for machine learning applications. But why? Let's delve into this with a case study. Imagine a company named TechRev. TechRev is a nascent company in the tech industry, aiming to revolutionize the healthcare sector with machine learning. But they had a challenge: finding a programming language that was easy to learn, had robust libraries, and could handle large datasets. That's when they discovered Python. Python's simplicity won them over. Its syntax is clean and easy to understand, making it perfect for beginners. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Python is a powerhouse, capable of performing complex machine learning tasks with ease. TechRev's team of developers started using Python and noticed something interesting. They were spending less time debugging and more time creating. Python's vast library ecosystem was also a significant advantage. Libraries like Pandas for data manipulation, NumPy for numerical computation, Matplotlib for visualization, and scikit-learn for machine learning algorithms became their holy grail. Python also made data pre-processing a breeze for TechRev. They could easily handle missing data, categorical data, and could standardize or normalize their data with just a few lines of code. This was crucial for their machine learning models, as quality data is the backbone of any successful machine learning project. But the real game changer was Python's ability to handle large datasets. TechRev was dealing with a massive amount of healthcare data. Python's efficiency in handling such datasets was a lifesaver. It enabled them to train their machine learning models effectively and deliver accurate predictions. By leveraging Python, TechRev was able to create a machine learning model that could predict diseases with high accuracy. This was a major breakthrough in the healthcare industry. It demonstrated how Python could be used to revolutionize industries with machine learning. To wrap up, Python's simplicity, powerful libraries, and proficiency in handling large datasets make it a formidable tool in the machine learning landscape. It's an easy-to-learn language that doesn't compromise on power or efficiency. Its vast library ecosystem simplifies data pre-processing and model creation, and its ability to handle large datasets ensures that machine learning models can be trained effectively. So the next time someone wonders why Python is popular in machine learning, remember TechRev? Remember how Python helped them revolutionize the healthcare industry. Python's impact in machine learning is undeniable. It's not just a programming language, it's a tool for innovation.